I have a lot of paintbrushes.
Art's Workfly.
Now I'm going to organize my paintbrushes in the things that I bought to just get the space a bit more organized very quickly, because I'm not sure when again I'm going to have time to do the videos and edit and stuff like that, so I have to do them quickly and get it out the way now. This is the bag that I usually store my paintbrushes in, and this one also. This one here is like a hair pack thing. Pack my paintbrushes in the thing that I bought, so I no longer have to use these scandal bags or these brown bags to store my paintbrushes in. So I have a lot of paintbrushes. A lot. Of paintbrushes. I have a lot of paintbrushes. So it was very important that I get something to store them properly, because I'm starting to mess up the bristle or the brush head. So I need to store my paintbrushes a bit more careful. So guys, I got this. It looked better on TEMU, but this is somewhat like the Starry Night painting. So I got this one here. I don't remember how much it said it could hold, but this seems like it can hold the short ones. I have bought another one if I can find it. Alright, so here is the other one. It can store brushes here, 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 here. So hopefully it can hold the long ones. So we'll see how that goes. It has no patterns on it. So I'm going to move these paintbrushes out the way. That's a lot. And then I'm going to lay this one down and see how best my long brushes hold. Alright, it holds. Alright, so the other tall ones, this is short. Alright, let me just group them together and see what is tall and what is short to save time. And the last one for this package, for this storage device here, you know, I should have probably put these ones in a different one. I'm gonna put those in a different one. Right, so I have all my paintbrushes here and I'm so happy. I think I'm going to push, there's a little card here, so I'm gonna push the paintbrushes in, then push it in the package itself. So I have all my paintbrushes here. Well, not all, but some. So I'm going to wrap it up like a little sandwich. Tie it like a little knot. Like a little knot here. And there you go. My paintbrush sandwich. So happy that I bought this. Oh my god, so I can just easily pull out. Oh, which one do I want? This one's nice, rather than digging. Oh, organization is so sweet. Alright, so I have all of that here. Good. Now for the next one. this one here. So I'm just going to, I think I'm just gonna do it random for now. Yes, because time is going. So I'm just gonna put all of them in. And that is it for all the paintbrushes. So now what I have to do is to roll. Look there, all the paintbrushes are now here. So many paintbrushes. Alright, so all I have to do now is to roll the tortilla up, 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 roll the tortilla up. Then I got to tie. Probably I can bring this one around here and meet it back around here. Like that. So now I have my paintbrushes here, so I can throw away another bag that I kept my paints in out through the door. So I'll definitely recommend these two things. As I say, I'm gonna show you the final reveal of my storage supply. So this is it. I have so many paintbrushes. This one is so heavy. Oh my god. And I can easily travel with them now rather than them jingling in the bag that I usually have. Now they're well secured, clean and everything. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching. I recommend those. Also, it's very, very strong, good quality. I don't like the picture on it, but it can go on, and it's alright. I'm gonna really buy it for the picture, but it's good quality. Even this one here is excellent quality, like seriously, for the price. Yes. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the reveal. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.